Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can turn off the comments of your YouTube video on your PC or mobile. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. If you're on your phone, turning off the comments for your YouTube video is actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to tap your profile. Once you're on your profile, next, go to your videos. Here in your videos you will be able to see all the YouTube videos you've uploaded, so just find the one for which you want to disable the comments. So let's say that this is the video for which you want to disable the comments, for example. So to do that, first, tap the three dots beside the video. And then go to Edit. And after that, you will now be on the Edit section. Here in the Edit section is where you can make changes to your video, such as adjusting the title, description, or video settings. And this is also where you can turn off the comments. So to turn off your video comments, just scroll down until you find the comments option. And once you've found it, just go and tap it. And then for the last step, just select the off option to finally turn off the comments of this video. And after that, the YouTube comments of this video are now set to be disabled, so just tap save to completely save your changes. And then that's it guys, it's done. You have now turned off the comments of your YouTube video on your phone. So now that we're done with the phone, I will now show you how to do it on your desktop. So for the desktop, it's also pretty easy to do. So for the first step, just search the YouTube website to open your YouTube. And once you're on YouTube, I want you to make sure that the channel you're logged in is the one that uploaded the video for which you want to turn off comments. And once you're already sure, I want you to go to your videos. Once you're on your videos, you will now be able to see all your YouTube uploads, so just find the video for which you want to turn off the comments. So let's say that this is the video for which you want to disable the comments, for example. So to do it, first, I want you to click the Edit button. After that, you will be directed to the Edit section, which is where you can make changes on your video, such as title, description, video settings, and comments. So to turn off or disable your comments, just scroll down to the bottom. And once you're at the bottom, click Show More. And then you will be able to see the additional settings. Here in the additional settings, I want you to scroll down to the bottom again and until you see the comments option. And once you've found it, you can now disable the comments by turning it off. And after that, the comments of the video will now be set to be disabled. So just click Save to completely save your changes. And then that's it guys, it's done. The video comments will now be turned off. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.